Hi, uri mwega mwiroreri wa Metha ya Kagoni. Njitagwo Monica Kagoni, and umuthi I want to introduce you to my kitchen. Titoru ndirenda kuruganie ngwiraga kainge na kainge me I am not a good cook and I have no apologies. No muthenya wa umuthi ndirakurehe kitchen yakwa tondu thini wa tabarira ya self love ndagitari neriga gutwira ati kuri na ugwati wa mai maria turanywa, especially andu aria twikaraga thini wa urban areas ta Nairobi. Ciana citu ni iragaca magego magatwika ma brown na ona ithu enyewe tukagia na thina wa mahindi ni tondu wa mai maria uranywa. Now in my kitchen mirrorly, mai makanju kumona tika undu raithi, so mostly tuhuthagira mai ma borehole. Na mai maya matingenyweka, one ni tondu wa cumbi, macamaga cumbi pio pio koguo matingenyweka. And I'm trying to find a solution for my water nigetha mai maya ngahota kunywa tukahota kuruga namo na makoro mari safe kuri ithue na ciana ciakwa. And I'm wondering nejo ni ureyuria ni ndu ici ndinacio haha. This is a water purifier. Iria ndirathirirwo ni Dr. Muriuki, the dentist, you remember him. Na muthenya wa umuthi turenda kumenya atiriri water purifier inori irutaga wira atia. Na ukunjitikiria nyite ogeni Dr. Rose uria turi nake muthenya wa umuthi. Karibu sana ndagitari.
Asante sana Monica.
Karibu.
Thank you muno.
Ni ukuhiriria haha uguo tu hanini. In fact ukamwena uyu nigetha riri unjire indo ici ciaku tukuhuthira wira atia. But before we tuthiete hau ndagitari ri wetagwo Dr. Rose we ndagitari wa mahindi wa magego kana wa njuiri kana wa muthemba uriku.
Thank you muno Monica. Ndu wa kundehe thini wa tabarira yaku muthenya wa umuthi. Hama ritwa njitagwo Dr. Rose wa Ngeci na ndi ndagitari wa magego. Na more to that nijikite Masters of Public Health. Koguo ni ngeragia kugiririria mirimo ya kanua na mwiri wothe.
Yes. So ndagitari, just briefly, mai maria turanywa thini wa matauni maitu ma Nairobi na icigirira cia Nairobi mai maingi ni ma borehole. Na nginya mundu agithi gwetha nyumba ya gukombororagia kwina mai ma borehole. Tondu makanjo ni matwikire so unreliable. Mai macio maratuiga thini wa gwati uhana atia.
Nima previously kwari na mai makanjo na ni undu anginya gukoro population ya kirithi no riu with the rapid population growth ni gukoro andu ni maraingiha na mai magakorwo ni menoku nderu na koguo ri andu magathie into sinking boreholes whether mai underground maratutaga underground water na mai maya menogwati tondu one as dentist ni tuonete an increase in the number of ciana iria ciragunda magego ni cingihite. Previously murimu ucio wonekaga kundu ta Naikuru na Naivasha na ni tucokete kumenya ati ni undu wa increasing in fluoride level in the water that we are using kuruga na kunywa. Yes.
Okay, so what is the range area yagirire ya fluoride level in water?
WHO kana World Health Organization yugite in tropical regions guko gukoro kwina riwa ringi wagiro ni gukoro ukinywa mai ma 0.5 to 1 part per million kana 0.5 to 1 milligrams per liter. 0.5.
Na kurigana mai maria mutestete Nairobi na ndiko ni testira mai maya makwa kurigana mai maria mutestete Nairobi ri kaige fluoride levels shirakinya cigana.
Sadly ni tu recordete along Kiambu Road 19 parts per million. 19 parts
na the
per
recommended
million.
is 0.5.
Yes, na 0.5 ni recommended to 1 part. No riu ni undu andu gukoro magitumira borehole water in most estates re mundu ni murero ati mai makanjo ni maratukanio na mai ma borehole no na matukanio it does not dilute it to the recommended levels Todo basically around Nairobi mai timega.
Na to fluoride maine maya.
Na to fluoride maine maya na kwina ginya bacteria iria ikoraga ciana kuharo na even other metals. Tariu kwina a lot of industries and mai macio maumite industry kana waste giko kiu kia industries nicuka cikarekererio na kwaura mbura indo ingita lead mercury iga sink in the water aquifers. Ntwira kwina maria guku thi
na guku rungu
atiri na riu mai indo icio cia sink mai maya nimo maracoka tugoka tukanywa na mai macio no ngimacamukia in fact na wacamukia what will happen ni mai ni indo icio ta fluoride lead cigukorwo cigituika concentrated tondu itikuaga tita bacteria na virus riu in fact what will happen ituika concentrated which is for the reason as to why it's very important ukorwo we keen on the ukorwo we keen na mai maria family yaku iranywa na toma kunywa tu ginya makuruga
na ndagitari apart from kugacia magego ri ni atia mai maya mekaga mundu mugima uria the teeth is already developed kwi undu ungi mangimutihia naguo
twajirie todo my interest ni fluoride fluoride ri wambe ni tweka deposited kwina to tissues in your body tunyitagirira muscle na bone twetagwo tendons na tungi tukanyitirira tuhinde na kahinde etagwo ligaments na riu fluoride ri ni twekaga deposited na tondu tunyamu tu twagwo ni gukorwo twi flexible ri riu ura twekaga ni gucalcify kana gukomithia ugatweka riu
ugo ndingitwika
flexible na actually within no time ukwajiria ukona ukidevelop symptoms ihana cia mundu ina arthritis more to that mutumia wanywa mai men very high in fluoride ni mathia ginya maka affect mwana uri okuite ya kwa mwana ucio actually by the time tondu magego ni majageria guthondeka mwanenda by the time mwana ucio arauma magego ginya ni magakome mathukite
ni tutindaga tukiuga mwana wakwa ni dawa anyuire muno munini so it's not about dawa ni mai
dawa actually dawa ni itumaga tondu dawa ni ikoragwo mostly ni itweka sweetened tondu dawa molecules icio ni ikoragwo hitagu taste wega no riu ni ciikiragwo cukari na cukari ucio ti mwega especially mwana agenywa na age ku brush koguo nima but also fluoride injection of fluoride mutumie mulito
tijega mwana magego make magade all right so ndagitari umuthi I brought you to my kitchen nigetha ujira tiriri ndena solution ya mai maya na before maybe ujirite kana hena solution mai maya ni uri ma test nigetha wone mena fluoride level igana atia but do I have a solution?
Yes, we do.
What is the solution?
Na solution itago platinum vasa uria twekire we were looking for a solution stodurun tuonete Ministry of Health ni ekite a study na ikona ati in the whole country ciana inya ciena murimu ucio wa magego ni undu wa kunywa mai matari mega na ma compare andu agima in 2015 ri mari andu eri thiini wa andu 10 na makiona ati indeed hena increase ni undu ni turathi na mbere na gutumira mai matari mega and so we were looking for a solution and locally na tutionire that we can say that we are confident in na leo twathire tuge partner na some German water scientists na engineer amae kuma Germany na leo niro twathondekire machine specifically tondu guku gwitu ri mai ni mena cumbi wa level iguru muno na the whole world andu makoragwo na water needs different for example in the west andu actually ni kuongerera mongagirira fluoride
tondu fluoride
ethi tondu actually fluoride ni njega for your teeth and bones in scientifically proven so together solution specifically that will suit the water that we have in East Africa.
In East Africa.
Because the water is we are very demanding in terms of our water needs. Na tugiokana solution yeto platinum Vasa. Vasa is
ni machine.
Ni machine. Na machine ino ni machine ogwekira agiko ina rental ni oguthama kogwo you're not limited. Dogiugate ni jikaraga nyumba ukobora na ogodi dige machine ino. If you're in your own home or in a rental, if you're in a rental, no tuguthamie nayo. Na machine ino ri wekira ri you will be able to drink the water directly. Toginyo shamukie ukunywa directly from the tap. Na ukuruga directly from the tap. Na kogwo ri otigane no horo wa gukorwo ni uragura mai makunywa na makuruga.
So machine ino ikagirwo ha.
Machine
na turario horo wa just this.
Yes, the machine
this simple and portable.
It is very simple. Though ishi the first 3 stages re irutaga sediments, tateri, pollen na big microbes.
Ikurutiro thini wa filter. Ici ni filters.
Icio ni filter. Ino ni casing, alafu ugakorwo wina filter. Ino niyo ya mbere. Alafu ugathie ici nicio cia ithatu cia mbere. Riu cikoragwo ci thiini wa casing ici ithatu. Riu mai mahitukira haha uguo ri ni macokaga magathie thiini wa arrow. Actually no ni reverse osmosis machine. Kogwo reverse osmosis membrane ri haha uguo.
So this machine is purely made for borehole water.
Yes, for borehole water. Okay. Koni watumira mai ma borehole water duri na thina. This is our reverse osmosis membrane. It is actually a molecular membrane. Kumaanisha ina 1/10,000 microns. Kogwo ginya viruses tuido tunini virus kanini muno ni gukorwo reject. Our technician yuri agwikare ni aguconnect giko kia mai tondu he mai magu flash into your drainage system. Nigetha mai macio magathie into your drainage system. Kwa uguo ri haha ni haguka another cartridge yo ni ya gucenjia taste ya mai.
Tari uyu uguo maya macama gacumbe ni uguthira.
Ni uri ukuigwa magicama fresh. And a taste of etago carbon cartridge. Na finally kwina riu tondu ino ri ndiratambura kana ni calcium kana ni magnesium kana na calcium ni njega. Kogwo uria twikaga ri hena cartridge igirekira atia iracokia
in the right quantity.
In the right quantity. Etago dolotomite. Na igagigwikirira calcium, magnesium, potassium, carbonate, hydrogen carbonate igacokia nigetha mai ginya magikona na the correct pH. Na so from this now you are able to drink your water and you use it for cooking.
Haya. Ni hydrota fluoride irorira.
Fluoride irorira haha
nyamu ino.
Yes,
so ino niwe iraruta all the metals and all the viruses, bacteria.
Yes, na metals tigo ci absorb, it rejects. Na mai macio magathi into your drainage system.
The drainage system.
Yes. So actually you lose some water because that water is used to flush. Riu tondu ona fluoride njagare bado inakuwa flush, but sasa again inakuwa added into the right quantities.
Okay.
Yes.
So dagitari machine ino igagwo ha.
Riu machine ino ri hena ni ukaga na gatapu kayo nigetha tondu tutirakenda utumire mai maya matheru guthambia indo ri ni gukana na tap kayo. This is the tap. We will fix your tap there. Alafu the whole machine now, the whole system is put under your kitchen sink. Yes. Ego under your kitchen sink. Alafu now when you want to take your water, you just drink the water directly from the tap. Directly from the tap.
So ona dirafatara gucamura.
Ona dirafatara
dispenser.
Ruwa ko ina dispenser ko ni urenda, you can take your water and put it in the water dispenser.
So dirafatara ona kugura.
Yes, dirafatara kugura mai. You don't need to buy water.
So mai de huthagira kunywa na
kuruga. And it is very healthy for you and for your children. Yes.
So dagitari once da kira machine ino ni rifatara yendaga go service.
Yes. So what we do, we need to tuli kuhuragira thimu, need to tukao na record sheet, tugakuhurira thimu na tugakuririkania. In places like Kitengela and Syokimau, Rongai, it's every 5 months.
Every
5 months. But in other regions, depending on uria mai maratumiro thiini wa muci ucio, no in other regions tukuririkanagia every 6 months. Tugakuririkania nigetha tugoka tugagucenjeria. Tutiuka tugakwenderia the filters, ni ithu tugagucenjeria every 6 months at a cost of 4,500.
4,500.
Yes.
Every 6 months.
Every 6 months. Alafu now after 2 years, re tukaga tugagucenjeria filters ciothe ugakorwo riu ntawagura machine upia. Yeah, tuka disinfect. We have a flushing system disinfectant. Tuka disinfect alafu tugagucenjeria all the filters ugakorwo riu ningi ntawakona machine zero. Yes, at a cost of 16,000.
16,000
yes.
After every 2 years.
Every 2 years.
Na nyamu ino lifespan yayo ni ta miaka igana?
Right now, after 2 years re tugagucenjeria, so long as now you are keen to maintain. Ati twakuhurira thimu ugakorwo ni ureka atia ni uroka go
iga service ya kwagirire.
It can serve you for as long as yes.
Na woga mai macio ti maguthambia indo
mai macio ni makunywa
na kuruga. Right. Haya, mwiroreri ni urona mbica icio uria cirathie na mbere o machine ke installagwo ndagitari. How much is this machine? Is it affordable?
Machine ino ni affordable tondo it is 58,400.
58,400.
Na 58,000 it's a whole package. Ako we Nairobi and its environments Kitengela, Rongai, Mombasa Road, the Nairobi, we are going to deliver it to your doorstep. And not only deliver it,
fix it.
We will fix it. It has it needs some plumbing works and electrical works. Kwa ni turoka guguthondekera. And after that, we will test your water before and after installation. Why do we do this? To do quality assurance. And secondly, we want to have data that we can present maundu mage thirikari so that we can change the policies. It can be used for policy making. Yes.
Okay. Na riu ri he mundu kuga he 60. Agani sigi hawe. Uge compare cost ya kuthondeka mwana igego kumu ndienda kuhuthira ku Brighton tondu ti wagirirwe no kweheria gutu ucio kana ku mask ri na kugura nyamu ino which is cheaper.
Ugirora first and foremost muthungu ugire prevention is better than cure. Nigetha mwana oke nigetha athondeko magego ri wa mbere kwina even psychological effects. Yeah, especially ciana nini into teenagehood. Agareta agithekerero he magego maku ni magundu and all that. Secondly, kwina now the financial implication. Igego rimwe nigetha turithondeke ri angiko ni masking area ni temporary or permanent. Mostly ni from 5,000 to 15,000 per tooth. Aya. Kwina riu area solution permanent he mundu mugima etago you can either do etago veneer riu nitagwikira gakombe kahana igego ugagikava
igego ri
iyo ni probably around 30,000 to 50,000 per tooth. Yes.
Yes. Kogwa kode na mere mathuku iyo ni ngiri.
Na riu mostly nigetha mostly tuthondekaga along your smile line. Riu magego manana. Yes.
Times 50. Iyo kire broti. Yani broti.
And niketu ugate and you even have ugeciria atiriri ndauga uhoro wa mwana nginya gukorwo ringi ni athekereiro and even dental treatment is that's why trauga prevention is better than cure. Now macio ni magego. Kwina other effects. Kwina mahinde, kwina gutauga ciana ira affect kumada. So when you look at it wholesomely, you kuona actually it's better to have this investment. Handu ha kugatireke we wait for was to happen nigetha nawe okoro okay mirigita. Yes.
So you're looking at individuals, mudu na wauga regardless ingikoro guko ni gwa gukombora ndweke ni guthama ni gathama na machine yakwa. You're looking at developers.
Yes.
So mudu raka nyumba thaisi, one of the value additions ni machine.
Yes, ndagakoro araika tu o nyumba wake nyumba na with the future in mind. Ate nyumba no ni gukorwo ina mushie hena ciana hena, so you have the future in your mind. Nigetha we provide, you are actually offering a home, not just a house.
All right. So machine ino tungimeona atia dagitari?
Machine ino tuna ofici itu Westlands, but we deliver countrywide. We are in Eldoret, we are in Nakuru, Naivasha, Nanyuki, Machakos. We have gone all over the country. Na kwa if you need to reach us, it's 0753 664 668. We are Riverside Water Defloridation Consultants. Yes.
So nabeo ni tukwandikire house cleaning yaku ariria dagitari nigetha wigwatire your water, not to meet water purifier tondu githuku
water purification system.
Githuku kipingira uthira nikiritu hanini.
Yes.
So dagitari as ukihuragira dagitari thimu turenda dagitari woe mai maya uthime, then after 3 days ni ugutuhe results cia mai maya metu.
Yes. Little mai ni maya clean water for cooking and for you also drinking.
Na wajira gunywa direct from
direct from the tap.
Direct from the tap. Yeah. So dirigura kamai ni wagonya.
Na uhatire kugura mai. You will use it for cooking and for your drinking. Alafu agikoni kwa thitima, you have a reservoir tank here in a 12 liters. Yes. Yes. Hahena reservoir tank in a 12 liters. So there's nothing that you need to do. The water will be pumping it continuously.
So on a kora dhitima
12 liters in store for you before the water comes back. Noria Google promise it. We will rain water, yes. So as we promised, we'll also do for you the water testing for matari treated, and then we will also do the anona mena pressure yako igana. You will also have the treated water. Yes. Just a little, that is enough.
That is enough. Yeah. So results after 3 days?
Yeah, we'll share with you results. Management will share with you the results.
After 3 days.
Yeah. Now your family has safe cooking and drinking water. You don't need to buy. You take directly from the tap.
From the tap.
Yes.
Okay. So I don't even need my dispenser.
You can take it. If you need hot water, you can actually just fetch and put it in your water dispenser.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Imagine how much I am going to save. One, diriguraga mai ma kunywa tondu mai turanywa direct from the tap.
Yeah.
Diriguraga mai ma kuruga turaka direct from the tap. Na ciana ciakwa ri biagicise guthuka.
Yes, nginya nawe.
Nginyona ni bones.
Yes.
So this is exactly what we are telling you.
Yes.
Gwiraga nyamba ga test kindu gacoka kurehera.
Absolutely.
My machine is already installed. Haha. Kagoni uranyona. Uramiona? Aya, niwe. It is already installed.
Yeah.
So I have tested it. I've used it.
Yes.
It's good. That's why I recommend this machine.
Yes.
No kumeona kuma Riverside
Water Defloridation Consultants.
Namba yaku dagitari
0753 664 668. Riverside Water Defloridation Consultants. Asante.
So thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
Na nitugugwita ringi na ringi nigetha especially tufundithio horo is teeth whitening good.
teeth white.
Andũ arĩa mathiaga gũthambia matuĩke white.
It will depend tũkugĩte angĩkorwo magego nĩ magacurĩ na rĩngĩ no makorwo magĩkũrehera psychological, so low self-esteem, so you can go ahead and have the whitening of your teeth.
But now done well.
Done professionally, tondũ kwĩna quacks. Yes, so you need to have it done well by professional. We totally advocate for it. Yes. Yeah.
So mwĩroreri ndagĩtarĩ nĩ egũtũruta topic ĩyo na ingĩ nyingĩ ciĩgiĩ oral health, na for now please angĩkorwo wĩ gwaku maĩ marĩa ũnyuaga you're not sure about it, please ethana na macini ĩyo nĩ gũgũteithia mũno, especially wĩ ũrahũthĩra maĩ ma borehole kana mwĩ thĩinĩ wa apartment nginyagia ma kanjũ na ma borehole nĩ matukanĩrio, ũrerehera thĩna mũnene mũno waga with a solution, and the solution we brought it for you. It is the water purifier. Na bani tukwandikire hau gwa ndagĩtarĩ, call her nigetha umenye ũrĩa kwĩgwatĩra macini yaku. Ĩno nĩ Metha ya Kagoni on behalf of Dr. Rose, Gitabo Monica Kagoni.